In this video, we're going to identify key points and axis of ellipses from an equation. It says, given the ellipse below, determine the coordinates of the foci. Enter the coordinates as ordered pairs x, y. So I want to notice that this takes the form of x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared. Now, whenever we have an ellipse, we really want a to be larger than 0. Or not larger than 0. A has to be greater than b. In our case, I wrote this equation because 49 is greater than 36, so I'm saying that a is greater than b there. Now, what if this would have been 36 and then 49? Well, I would have written this equation differently, where it would have said x squared over b squared and y squared over a squared. And we'll show an example like that in a later video. But I know that a squared is equal to 49 and b squared is equal to 36. They're asking me for the foci here. To find the foci, I'm going to need to know what orientation this ellipse is. So because I have x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared, this is a vertical, or not a vertical, this is a horizontal ellipse. And a horizontal ellipse looks like this. And I've got a major axis right here and a minor axis right here. So major and then minor. Now, to find the foci for a horizontal ellipse, the equation for that is positive c, comma, 0, and then negative c, comma, 0. And so to find those foci there, we're going to need to find what c is. So for an ellipse, it's a little different than like a triangle. We have c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. And we know that a squared is 49 because look at how our formula is set up. So we can say that a squared is equal to 49 and that b squared is equal to 36. So we can go ahead and say that c squared is equal to, if I substitute 49 for a squared, I get 49 minus b squared, which is 36. If I take the square root of this, I get square root of 49 minus 36, which is 13. So c is square root 13. That tells me that my foci are going to be root 13, comma 0, and negative root 13, comma 0. So these are the two foci for this horizontal ellipse.